Welcome to Review Lab. The best Alluminite epoxy resin is probably one of the most versatile and visually stunning materials available for creators today, offering a unique blend of durability, clarity, and artistic potential that can elevate any project from simple crafts to intricate furniture pieces, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to add a professional and eye-catching finish to their work. Number 5. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles when warm, giving you a smooth, flawless surface. This epoxy resin is made with low-odor, non-toxic materials and is food-grade. It's harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It cures in just 24 hours to become rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a long-lasting finish. Our two-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. It includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art. What we like. If you're a beginner or a pro looking for a reliable, crystal-clear finish, this is for you. Its advanced formula minimizes bubbles and resists yellowing, ensuring your art stays vibrant. It's also certified food safe, making it ideal for projects that require that extra layer of safety and quality. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and cures to a hard, durable finish. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. The UV resistance is excellent, preventing yellowing over time. Number 4. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 51 ounces. Introducing the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit, designed for impressive 2-inch pours. It's perfect for your river tables, wood projects, flower preservation, and all your DIY crafts. Experience our upgraded formula with reduced viscosity for improved flow and easier mixing. It allows for faster air release, minimizing bubbles and overheating risk for bigger, deeper casts. Elevate your projects with pours up to 2 inches deep in a single layer. Achieve a stunning, glass-like finish with enduring clarity, saving you time and effort. Our epoxy resin is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. It's certified food safe, making it ideal for both home and professional use, ensuring safety and environmental friendliness. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 48 hours. It offers excellent heat resistance up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a crystal clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Perfect for beginners, this kit is easy to use with a simple 2-to-1 ratio. It includes everything you need to start creating, taking your resin art to new heights. What we like. For those ambitious projects like river tables or large castings, this resin is your go-to. It's specifically designed for deep pours up to 2 inches, reducing the risk of overheating and minimizing bubbles. If you want to create impressive, large-scale pieces without the hassle of multiple pours, this is the one. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and has a very low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. It cures to a hard, durable finish with excellent scratch resistance, perfect for tabletops and countertops. The UV resistance is impressive, preventing yellowing and maintaining clarity over time, even in direct sunlight. Number 3. Let's Resin High Viscosity Epoxy Resin 1 gallon. Experience a resin with high viscosity that stays put yet flows smoothly. It's perfect for coating tables, countertops, and furniture, ensuring a glossy finish on various surfaces like wood and concrete. This 2-part kit is simple to use with a 1-to-1 ratio, making preparation a breeze. It cures within 24 hours, and beginners and artists will appreciate the 20-minute working time at room temperature. Achieve flawless results on tumblers with this self-leveling and self-degassing formula. It's also ideal for shallow castings, jewelry, and acrylic paintings, offering UV resistance to prevent yellowing. Crafted for clarity, this bubble-free resin mixes beautifully with pigments for unique creations. Once cured, it's scratch-resistant, waterproof, and provides a high-gloss finish that withstands heat. Enjoy a generous 1-year shelf life with our product. We prioritize your experience and offer immediate support for any issues, ensuring you can create with confidence. What we like. If you're aiming for a durable, high-gloss finish on surfaces like tables, countertops, or bar tops, this resin is an excellent choice. Its high viscosity ensures it stays put while flowing smoothly for a seamless coating. For projects where a thick, smooth, and long-lasting surface is key, this product delivers. What people say. This epoxy resin is crystal clear and has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. It cures to a hard, durable finish with excellent scratch resistance and UV protection, preventing yellowing over time. The resin has a long working time, allowing for intricate designs and bubble-free results. Number 2. KHKD Resin 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a flawless, glassy finish with our innovative self-leveling formula. It automatically releases air bubbles for a perfectly smooth, crystal clear surface ideal for all your creative projects. Our formula includes UV stabilizers to prevent yellowing, ensuring your creations maintain an ultra-clear, high-gloss appearance. It's also scratch and impact resistant, keeping your artwork vibrant and protected. Getting started is easy with a simple 1:1 volume ratio mix. Work comfortably for 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature, with a full cure in just 24 hours. It offers excellent heat and scratch resistance. Craft with confidence. This food-safe, non-toxic formula is VOC-free, solvent-free, and odorless. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. You'll find the resin and hardener, plus all the essential tools for mixing and application, making your DIY experience seamless. Keep your tools looking like new. Clean measuring cups immediately after use with isopropyl alcohol or acetone. A quick soak and scrub will remove any residue, followed by a thorough rinse. What we like. For crafters who prioritize longevity and protection, this resin is a standout. It boasts superior UV and impact resistance, ensuring your creations stay vibrant and scratch-free for years. If you need a resin that offers both a flawless, self-leveling finish and robust protection for everything from jewelry to tabletops, consider this option. What people say. It is a very good product that works well. The product is of good quality and works as expected. This product is easy to use and provides a professional finish. Number 1. Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast Plus 1 Gallon Epoxy Resin. Introducing Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast Plus, the industry-leading epoxy resin for unmatched clarity. Its enhanced UV resistance ensures your creations stay vibrant and resist yellowing over time. Designed for ease of use, this formula features a simple 1:1 mixing ratio by volume. This makes it ideal for crafters of all skill levels, ensuring a smooth and bubble-free finish. Unleash your creativity with limitless color options. It's fully compatible with Alumilite dyes and alcoholic inks, allowing you to add stunning pops of color to any project. This versatile resin is perfect for a wide array of applications. Use it for coatings, castings, jewelry, art, DIY projects, and even creating durable bar tops. Capture and preserve your most cherished memories. This clear epoxy is perfect for encapsulating special items, creating unique gifts, or safeguarding your favorite trinkets for years to come. What we like. If you appreciate a bit more working time and a user-friendly experience, this resin is perfect for you. Its slower cure allows for easier bubble release and more control, making it ideal for intricate designs or encapsulating precious items. For beginners and artists who want to take their time and ensure a perfect, clear cast, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The resin is crystal clear and has a very low viscosity, making it easy to pour and self-level. It cures to a hard, durable finish with excellent scratch resistance and UV stability. The bubble-free formula significantly reduces the need for torching or heat gun use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.